Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making some vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free, and a bunch of other things free cookies. They kind of taste like brownies or fudge, but technically they're cookies. And they're date sweetened, but if you don't like dates, that's okay. You probably will still like these because my sister doesn't like dates, but she still loves these cookies. So let's go make some delicious but very healthy cookies. Before I do anything else, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. First, add 1 cup of unpitted dates to a food processor or blender. Then blend it until smooth. It doesn't have to be completely smooth because we will be blending again with other ingredients. After that, add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder to your food processor. Also, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then to make a flax egg, add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and 3 tablespoons of water. And you can stir it if you want to, but we will be putting it in the food processor, so I don't think it matters that much. Then go ahead and blend. So now you can add in any ingredient that you think it needs. I tasted it and I thought it needed a couple of dates, and here is what it should look like. I'm using a reusable baking mat, so I don't need to put oil on it. Now I'm adding 3 chocolate chips into each of them, and my chocolate chips aren't refined sugar-free, but if you want the whole cookie to be refined sugar-free, then just get sugar-free chocolate chips, or you could add some dried fruit in there, or nuts, or whatever you want, or you could just leave it plain. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven. Originally I set the timer for 12 minutes, but I ended up adding 3 minutes, but it really just depends on your oven. And here's what they look like when they're done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try this recipe because it is so good. As usual, I will link the recipe down below. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.